Hey everyone, today is March 25th and I'm going to be reviewing the ice cream bean taste test. Another name for this fruit is Inga Edulis. And I got these from Bush to Beach on Tropical Fruit Farm. So shout out to him for selling and shipping this rare fruit on the mail. I'm very excited to try these and I never had one before. So let's get started. And this is the biggest one. Look how long this one is. Wow, it's almost as long as the plate. Let's see if I can find a way to open. Ooh, the shell is kind of hard. I don't want to cut myself, so I'm going to cut it like this. And ta-da! Oh no, did I wait too long to eat this? I got this last week on Thursday or something like that, but I haven't eaten it till now because I thought it needed to be ripened. Whoa! The seeds start growing in here, you guys. Look! Oh! It's starting to have leaves inside here. That's crazy. But look at this. Look at this fluffy flesh up here. Wow. Let's look kind of linty up here. Well, let's see what. Let's see. Ooh, very nice. Isn't it pretty? How do I eat this? I think I just have to pull it off the seed, eat the flesh. Wow, look at the seed. Came out so easily. Wow, look at this one. It looked like it had multiple sections here. Okay, now let's try the fruit. Wow, it is sweet, you guys. Whoa, I'm surprised. I've never seen a fruit like this before. It looks so interesting. Look at how long this fruit is. Maybe I wait too long to eat it. Wow. Oops. But it still tastes good. It's sweet. It have like a floral smell to it. It is sweet and it have. I don't think it tastes like ice cream that much. I think it tastes more like cotton candy. You have that fluffiness to it. See? Look how fluffy it is. Look. You see how fussy it is? Wow. Very cool. Open a different one to see if it's different. Whoa. Look at this. Oh, that is so awesome. Whoa. Look at that. Look at the fussiness if you can see it up close. See that? It kind of feel like lint. Yeah, that's what it kind of feel like. It feel like lint when you touch it. So awesome. Let's see how it tastes. It is sweet, you guys. Wow, that is awesome. I can eat this all day. Each one of them is easy have a easily separated, and the seed doesn't really cling to the flesh, so you could just like open it and pick it off easily. Look at this. Nice and clean. Got the inside. See? Looks pretty nice and clean inside too. So fuzzy, look at this. It reminds me more of the cotton candy. The flesh just kind of melts in your mouth like the cotton candy, in my opinion. Wow, this is awesome. Let me see if I could just bite it with my teeth. Okay, came out clean, nice and easy. You can bite this with your teeth. Wow, this is really good. I like it a lot. Wow. Let me open another one and see. This one looks. This one is very fat looking. Look at this. Oh, isn't it beautiful inside? It's such a strange looking fruit. Oof. This fruit is native to South America. Look at this flesh. So white and clean. It's good. It is sweet. It's melt in your mouth. The only thing bad about it is there's a lot of seeds in here. But it's easy to pick out the seeds though. It's not difficult at all. Look at this. Oh, so fluffy. Wow. It's not a very juicy fruit. I was thinking that I'm gonna measure the bricks on this, but I don't think I can squeeze any juice out of here because it's pretty dry. Let me try anyway. Okay. Let's find out if I can get some juice. Okay, I got some juice in there. Wow, you see that? 18.7%. This fruit is sweet, you guys. Wow, that's awesome. So good. I wish I had more because I feel like I'm about to run out here. Let's open them all then. Oh, look at this one. This one is fat. It's have a pretty tough shelf, so when you open this, be careful not to cut yourself. Oh, ta-da! Look at this one. Wow, this one looks pretty. Look how pretty this one is. See up close? Have the fussy feeling. Very nice. Just break easily. Look at that. Very yummy. I really like this. I like this fruit. I think this is the perfectly ripe one. It's not too dry and it's still sweet. It's very soft and fuzzy. Look at It's easy to break apart from the seed. Like the flesh doesn't really cling to the seed at all. Look at this. Just like come out easily and clean. Wow. Mmm. Yummy. This one is a skinnier one. Whoa. It have a very floral smell to it. Have a very flowery smell on this one. Wow. Feel like I'm eating nectar or something. Now, I'm going to compare it to the generic ice cream here that I got. I haven't eaten ice cream in a while. Oh, it's been in the fridge for a long time. So the ice cream just melts in your mouth with the sweetness and vanilla flavor, which become liquefied pretty fast. You don't even have to chew it, but this thing you do have to chew it a little bit. It does melt in your mouth as you chew it. And the sweetness is still there, even though I just eat this very sweet ice cream right here. I can still taste the sweetness from this fruit. That's awesome. This fruit is awesome. Look at the seeds. Let's see if I can open it. See what it looked like inside. Okay, it just got a sprout coming out from the inside. The seeds here. Wow, this is a very cool fruit. Look at that. It looks like it's easy to germinate too, and almost every seeds are germinating. Look at this one. Oh, this is crazy. This one kind of look like cockroaches. Alright, I'm going to enjoy the rest of these. Thank you for watching me. Bye bye.